Alright guys, Chad here with Sledgehammer Fitness for Brooks Cambell again. We'll do a nice little grip straight gauntlet here. So, here we go. We got 5 plates with some 10s in between each one. We're gonna hold this as long as we can. He's gonna pull it up. We're gonna start him. And he's gonna hop on it. Get it activated. That is a shit ton of weight, son. Pull plate off. Gonna do it again. Yeah, you're taking the little one and the big one off. You want to be a monster in college, this is the one you need to do. You want that lineman strength, this is the one. God damn, son. Almost a minute. Come on, Brooks, don't quit. Don't stop. Come on. There you go. Don't stop. Don't stop. Done, baby. Son of a gun. Hold on, I think I could do that way. Hold on, let's see. Okay.
Sure.
I think I can do this.
Some shit like that in this place, right?
Alright, I can do this one.
Yeah.
There you go, hop on.
Stand on it?
Yeah. There you go. There you go.
Oh, that's fucking hard, dude.
It'll get you. Makes your hands look pretty too.
Yeah. Once I get over that finger, I'll be alright.
Oh yeah.
Woo. Look at all this carnage. That's what we call that around here. We don't fucking play. 10s are only used just to make, or 5s are only used just to make these 50s. God damn it. Standard, you need to make some 50s so we can stop using these motherfuckers. Let's go. Sledgehammer Fitness, baby. Shut the fuck up and lift.